In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly find your license number in QuickBooks. Whether you're setting up a new account or just need to re-enter your license number, knowing exactly where to locate this information can streamline your process and save you a lot of hassle down the road. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by navigating to QuickBooks. Open your preferred web browser, head over to the QuickBooks homepage, and log into your account using your credentials. It's always a good idea to ensure your login details are up to date and secure. If you regularly access QuickBooks, it might already be bookmarked in your browser, which makes things even simpler. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the homepage where you can access various features of QuickBooks that facilitate business management. Next, on the homepage, look for the option labeled Additional Info. This section is typically easy to find, often located within your account settings or the main dashboard area. Clicking on it will open up more detailed information about your account. Accuracy is key here, so make sure you're in the right section to avoid any confusion. This step is important because the additional info area is where you're going to find the specifics you need, including your license number. It's also a great spot to familiarize yourself with other critical details about your QuickBooks account. Once you've clicked on Additional Info, the final step is to locate the section that displays your company ID. Here, you'll see a line that states, "Your company ID is," followed by a series of numbers. This number is your license number. It's as simple as that. Jot it down, save it in a secure location, or memorize it if you're not good with numbers. Having this number at your fingertips means you can easily access support, troubleshoot issues, or make necessary updates without delay. As a tip, you might want to consider storing your license number in a password manager. This can help ensure that you always have it handy without needing to commit it to memory. It's also a much safer alternative to writing it down on paper, which can be easily lost. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to locate your QuickBooks license number. By following these straightforward steps, you'll spend less time searching and more time focusing on what really matters, managing your business effectively. We hope you found this guide helpful and encourage you to explore more QuickBooks features to make the most of what the platform has to offer. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy bookkeeping.